This channel is attracting over 100,000 views every week. Social Blade says it's earning $3,500 from ads alone. Oh, and it's less than 1-year-old, friends. But here's the most interesting part for you. You can create similar, even better videos using AI. And today, I'm giving away all the know-how that others charge in courses for free. Yep, no gatekeeping here. So smash that like button and jump in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make videos like the example channel yourself. Plus, I'll walk you through how to promote your videos and turn them into a money-making machines. If you are ready, let's start. As a first step, we will create the story itself and its scenes. For this, we will use this prompt, which I'm explaining and providing for you here. You can modify the parts highlighted in yellow to customize it for yourself. For example, you can specify the word count here, the topic here, the tone or emotion here, and the target audience here. When you use this prompt, it will generate a story and its scenes tailored to your chosen audience and topic. Let me show you an example. I adjusted the prompt like this to write a space-themed story for children. One important thing to note is to add this part at the end of the prompt. This ensures that to keep the audience engaged, a new scene will appear every 50 words. As you can see, our scenes are ready like this, and it has created a children's story. Each scene comes with an image prompt and a script tied to the relevant character in the story. I'll take this, save it to another document, and move on to the image creation stage. In this step, we'll prepare our scenes. As an example, I'll set up the first 2 scenes, and then you can follow along and create your own videos. First, I'll refer to the story we saved and look at the characters. We have a girl character named Mia and Max. Since the first shot is Mia, I'll start by creating the Mia character. Then, I'll bring her to life using the backgrounds provided here. Now, let's animate Mia. For this, I'll use the Leonardo app. When you get to the Leonardo app, you'll head to the image generation area, where we can start creating our character. Let's imagine Mia is a cartoon-style 4-year-old girl with blue eyes and brown hair. As you can see, our character is ready. Now, what's important here is to reuse this character in other scenes. To do this, we'll proceed as follows. We'll select Copy Seed, then move to the left side. Once there, among the options, we'll choose Fix Seed and paste the seed number we copied. This way, the app will continue using the same character in the next scenes we generate. For example, let's create our scene. I'll go back to the story document. What does it say? Show a cozy bedroom. That's our first scene. I'll take this directly, return to the app, and the key here is to add it to the Fix Seed prompt without changing anything else, just appending it like this. As you can see, it places the same character in the environment we wanted for the first scene. Now, let's create the second scene with the same character. I'll go back to our story again. I'll take the second scene directly, come back, and remove the last part I added, replacing it with the new one. As you can see, it's the same character again, and for the second scene, it generates an image where the rocket has grown bigger, and sparkles are spreading around just as we wanted. With this, we've created our first 2 scenes. In the next step, we'll animate these 2 scenes. In this step, we'll add motion to the scenes we've created. To do this, we'll first download the scenes we like to our computer. Then we'll switch to another application called the Hilo app. With this app, you can easily add motion to your chosen scenes. You can either upload them and apply motion using a prompt, or select from pre-saved ready-made motion presets. Let me show you an example. I'll use one of the ready-made motions. For instance, this is our second scene, and now I'll add some motion to it. As you can see, the scene is ready. It's created a beautiful animation on its own. I simply picked a preset, and it turned out great. We can do the same for the other scenes as well. Now let's move on to the next step, where we'll add sound to our scenes. In this step, we'll add sound. I'm going back to the story document and picking the sound for the first scene. Then, I'll head to the 11 Apps application. For those hearing about it for the first time, This is a highly effective voice creation tool. I'll leave the link below for you. As you can see here, you can choose from a wide variety of different voices. For this example, I've selected a voice for you that's suitable for storytelling. Let's create it with this one. You input it like this and generate it. You can test the voice here before downloading it to your computer. Using this method, you can also generate voices for your other scenes. Now it's time to move to the next step, where I'll show editing the video. In this step, we'll combine all the elements we've created in Bodrum. For this, I used CapCut. I'll explain it quickly here, but I go into more detail in my other videos. As you know, we had 2 scenes that we animated. I placed them one after the other. I also added a voiceover directly, and since CapCut has an auto caption feature, I used it to add subtitles. I styled the subtitles to be suitable for kids. On top of that, you could also add music, but let's see how it looks as is. Let's watch it together.
Max and Mia loved space. Every night they dreamed of flying to the stars. But tonight was special. Their dream was about to come true. Wow, Max, we have a real spaceship.
See, it's pretty charming, likely to grab kids' attention, and it's a method that can be put together in a very short time. We've completed the first 2 scenes this way, and when we create and combine the other scenes similarly, we'll have a full video on our hands. In the next steps, I'll explain how we can promote these videos and how to make money from them. Now that our video is ready, let's look at how to promote it. The first step, of course, is to publish the video. To do this, you can go to YouTube and upload it to an existing channel or easily create a new one and publish it there. I'll be sharing more detailed videos about the publishing process later. The second important aspect is making sure the video can be found. For this, you need to add a thumbnail, title, and description. These inputs are crucial because they determine how your video will be discovered. This part is just as important as the video itself, and I'll share more videos on this topic too. In the next stage, after publishing the videos, it's key to engage with your audience, responding to their comments, interacting with them, answering their questions, and liking their feedback. As a final step, once it's live on the platform, you can share snippets of your video on other platforms. For example, you could post a short clip on Instagram or mention a specific scene from the video on another platform to spark interest. If you follow these 4 steps and apply them correctly, your video will reach the right audience. Now, let's take a look at how we can monetize it. In this step, I'll talk a bit about how you can make money from videos. There are 3 different methods to earn money from your videos. The first is through YouTube's monetization program. If your account has received a certain volume of views in the past year, YouTube pays you a fee per 1,000 views. This amount can vary. Sometimes it's as low as $2 per 1,000 views depending on the niche, or it can go up to $15 in other niches. In short, with some simple math, you can earn up to $150 per 10,000 views. Without needing to meet these rules or requirements, you can also make money through affiliate sales. This involves researching and finding different products, then selling them on a commission basis. I'll give you a few example websites you can check out and explore. You can find products there that are suitable for marketing. The third option is to sell your own products, in addition to earning from ads or other revenue streams. This could be a digital product, a service you offer, or something specific to your field, like a course or tool. By mentioning these products in your videos and publications, you can generate income from them as well. That's it, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. It really helps. Drop your thoughts in the comments, good or bad. They push me to make better content for you and keep me motivated. Oh, and if you're looking for more, I'd suggest checking out my top faceless niches video next.